Clean water and sanitation. Water purification system prototype. Imagine a community where access to clean water is a daily challenge. In many parts of the world, people rely on unsafe water sources, leading to serious health issues. Contaminated water causes diseases like cholera and typhoid. Introducing a simple water purification system designed to provide clean and safe drinking water using affordable, locally available materials. Our purification system starts with a multi-layer filtration unit. This unit uses three key materials: gravel, sand, and activated charcoal. Step-by-step assembly of the filtration unit. Layer of large gravel at the bottom of the container, layer of fine sand on top of the gravel, layer of activated charcoal on top of the sand, finally layer of final gravel on top of the charcoal. Solar disinfection. Next we use solar disinfection, a method that uses the sun's UV rays to kill harmful microorganisms. Simply fill clear plastic bottles with filtered water and place them in direct sunlight for 68 hours. For added safety, boiling the water ensures all remaining pathogens are killed. Boil the water for at least 1 minute or 3 minutes at high altitudes. With this simple purification system, communities can have access to clean and safe drinking water. This reduces the incidence of waterborne diseases, improve health, and enhance overall quality of life. We engage the community through workshops, teaching them how to build and maintain the system using locally available materials. This ensures sustainability and long-term benefits. Join us in making clean water a reality for everyone. For our initiative and help bringing safe drinking water to those in need. Together, we can create a healthier, happier world. Thank you for watching Water Purification System.